Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Today we're diving into the exciting world of passive income with the amazing platform Wipter. Get ready to transform your idle internet and data into real rewards. Wipter is an app that lets you earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It's an easy and efficient way to convert your idle internet into cash with no effort required. Wipter pays 50 cents for each GB shared, and you can withdraw your earnings once you reach $20. According to Wipter's website, their payouts are 10 times higher than their competitors. Wipter guarantees no hidden fees, higher earnings, and consistent global rates. Let me guide you through the easy steps to get started with Wipter. First, click the link in the video description. Confirm that you are a human and not an automated system. You'll then reach a registration page like this. Enter your email address and create a strong password. To get started, you will need a referral code. One is already pre-filled for your convenience. This code also grants you an additional $5 sign-up bonus. Agree to the terms of use by checking the appropriate box. Then, click the Create Account button to complete your registration. You'll receive a verification code via email. Check your inbox, enter the code on this screen, and click Verify. If you didn't receive the code, you can request a resend. Remember to check your spam or junk folder just in case. After verification, return to the Wipter.com website and download the application. Wipter is available for Windows and Mac OS. Download and install the application suitable for your operating system. In this video, I will cover the steps for Microsoft Windows. After installation and launch, you'll see an interface like this. Make sure you're online. If not, toggle the switch to online. Click on the Stats tab below to view your traffic and earnings. Next, go to the most important tab, Payments. Wipter pays you in cryptocurrency. To enter your wallet address, click the small arrow. Enter your wallet address. Wipter pays in USDT. Verify the address is correct, then click Save. In the Referrals tab, you can view the people you've referred and your earnings from them. You'll also see when they were last online. Remember, you earn 10% of your referrals traffic sold only when they cash out. For assistance, contact the Wipter team via the Support tab. In the Settings tab, I recommend enabling the first 4 options. You can opt for beta releases if you wish, but be aware they may be unstable. In the Account tab, you can view your details. That's Wipter. Join today and start earning passive income effortlessly. Use the sign-up link in the video description to get your $5 bonus. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.